You can see that I'm getting started, just unfolding my puff pastry. Here I have some delicious cheesecake filling, you guys. If you haven't tried this, I would recommend. It is a must try. And look at what we're doing. We are just gonna spread a thin layer of this cheesecake all over the puff pastry, you guys. We are making the easiest little breakfast treat that you've ever had, I swear. If you have anything that's easier or better, I need you guys to share that in the comments because I am pretty sold on this one right here. Now I have some super tasty jelly. I went with strawberry. Of course, you can choose any flavor. What is your favorite type of jelly? I remember growing up as a kid, my grandma, she always had the orange marmalade. Is that something that you guys have in your house? Are you strawberry? Are you raspberry? What jelly team are you on? We switch it up around here. Sometimes we do strawberry, sometimes raspberry. I don't know. I don't discriminate. I love all fruit equally, right? Okay, so you can tell I'm just kind of really quickly just spreading out this jelly. It's getting spread right on top of the cheesecake, which is gonna give it like this strawberry cheesecake kind of flavor here. And oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Okay, I think that's about good, just like that. Now watch what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna carefully take the back of the puff pastry and I'm just gonna really gently just roll it up so all of that filling is just getting locked in this puff pastry. And you know my favorite thing is when the pastry bakes, it gets nice and golden brown and fluffy and it is just fantastic. Okay, so we have that all rolled up, looks great. Now I'm gonna come in with my pizza cutter and I'm gonna cut about a 1-inch roll. So like I said, the puff pastry will fluff up. It's okay if it kind of goes down a little bit right now, no big deal, right? And all we're doing is we're just creating these little pinwheels with the cheesecake and the strawberry in the center. Oh, this is gonna be so good in the morning with your coffee or your tea, or even if you wanted to just do this for a dessert, you could do that too. Are you eating it in the morning? Are you eating it at night? Do you like sweets with your tea or your coffee? I wanna hear all about it. Okay, you guys, so we got these cute little pinwheels and we're just gonna come over here and we're gonna place them right onto our baking sheet. Ooh, look at that. You can see the strawberry and the cheesecake just hiding right inside there. Oh my goodness. So good. It's gonna melt in with that dough. And you know what? You can tell I like it, right? I'm sold. I love this idea and it's so easy to throw together. So easy. Ooh, these look so good. Okay, now I'm gonna come in with just a little bit of butter and I just kind of wanna get it just around on that dough, maybe a little bit on the top. It's just gonna make it a little bit more savory and that golden brown and just a little bit more tasty. But you know what, if you don't wanna do the butter, that's okay too. It's totally up to you. I just like it for a little addition and it just makes that puff pastry really, really good, in my opinion, right? Now we are all entitled to our own opinions and we know that we all have different tastes, just like the kind of jelly you're gonna use or anything you're gonna change up with this. And you know what, you guys, I wanna hear about it. I wanna hear all the changes that you're going to make. Please share with us in the comments. It helps and it gives us all great ideas, doesn't it? I love sharing and you should too. So let's pop this in the oven at 350. We're gonna cook it for 20 minutes and stick around because these little bite-sized breakfast treats are gonna be great. Wow, our super easy breakfast treat is all done, you guys, and they look amazing. I can see just the cheesecake and the strawberry jello. Now I am gonna dig right in because I am starving. They look nice and golden brown. Ooh, I love the crispiness, even underneath. Oh gosh, it looks so good. The glaze from the strawberry is just making that top so shiny. I swear, I feel like the easiest and most delicious. You can see the cheesecake and the strawberry, you guys. Anyone can whip something like this together. Cheesecake filling, maybe you're gonna use cream cheese. I don't know. I wanna hear all about it in the comments. What kind of jelly are you using? Are you switching it up at all? Tell me more, because I'm ready to make these again. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.